During a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, former President Donald Trump was rushed off stage by Secret Service agents after bangs were heard. The disturbance occurred shortly after Trump began his speech, and he was seen with blood on his right ear as he was swiftly removed from the stage. Heavily armed security personnel immediately took the stage, ensuring the area was secured. Watch the video.
Something that said, take a look at what happened.
Moving to spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you.
Ready?
Move.
Up.
Move. Go.
Up. Hawkeye's here.
Hawkeye's here. Move it to spare.
Spare, get ready. Spare, get ready.
We ready?
Down. Down.
Are we good? Shooters down. Are we good to move?
We're
Let's
clear.
move. Let's move.
We're clear.
Come on.
Let me get my shoes.
I got you, sir.
Let me get my shoes, sir.
Hold that in your head. It's bloody.
So we gotta move to the bus. Let me get my shoes.
Okay, my shoes down. Get the shoe.
Watch out.
Wait.
Honestly, it was so unbelievable. I didn't. This was like but all of a sudden,
President Joe Biden has been briefed on the incident, indicating the severity and the high-profile nature of the occurrence. Trump spokesperson Stephen Chung reassured the public that Trump is fine and is currently being evaluated at a local medical facility. Chung also expressed gratitude to law enforcement and first responders for their prompt and effective response. Further details about the incident are expected as investigations continue. The quick action by the Secret Service shows the security measures in place for high-profile political figures, especially during active 2024 presidential campaign. These events again showcase the unpredictable nature of public appearance and the importance of security in protecting political leaders.